Whoa, would you look at this jungle? So back at Jim Kovaleski's house today, we're gonna get you guys a little planting video. We've got lots of starts that are ready to go in the ground. Hold tight.
Soil blocks.
Nice, we're starting to air prune a little. It's about right. These are right at 4 weeks.
Okay.
From seeding. Yeah, they're nice soil blocks.
So what do you get, just to walk up and down here and pick what you want?
Yeah, it's kind of like painting.
Okay.
You know, you want your colors and textures. So I'm trying to get different. And then they're all in that first tier. You know, the stuff that's harvested more frequently. The lettuces and the endives and the escargots.
And Jim, that's just the butter knife, that special tool you got there?
Yeah, another special tool, yep.
Okay.
And then these are special flats. Come from Pepsi.
Uh-oh. All right, link in the description for the butter knife, don't worry.
The first one's always the hardest to get out. But actually, you can see how that's just going down the outside. So there's no wrapping. Pretty out right now.
It is. Oh, now we got a real special tool, don't we?
Well, that is. Everybody's wondering where I got that. And I don't remember.
You don't remember? No. What is it?
One of them Asian tools.
Okay. All right, so what have you done to prepare this bed?
Just put about 1.5 inches of new compost on it. Okay, watered it in as I did that. You saw that day when you and the boys are helping. And then I raked the top off, and see how the path is all woody now up there? And so this is a little finer, but that's the only prep I've done.
And how much fertilizer, how much nutrients, how are you feeding this?
The only fertilizers are, there's a little bit of kaleidophosphate, green sand, azomite, and blood meal in the soil block. Otherwise, there's nothing in the actual soil around here. I don't add anything.
How often you run in the irrigation?
I have no irrigation.
No irrigation?
No irrigation. I water as needed.
Water as needed, okay.
And then I just tried to plant in the back.
So I see the watering guy, huh?
Yeah.
You just planted these?
I planted those yesterday, so that's all the brassicas, so that's the top tier, so they're highest, because right now with the sun here, they'd be shading anything on the back side of them, so you want to plant the small stuff on the south side and then the bigger stuff in the back. And that's usually, I do a triangle.
So do you remember all the variety names?
No. As I'm planting them, I do, but I mean, as I plant them in the, the mini blocks, I do, but when I get to here, I don't.
Are you still trying new varieties, Jim? Or you've kind of found what works?
No, I keep trying new varieties whenever it looks like it, when I buy new seed. So, like last year, I mean, because I had that whole batch that I thought didn't do well.
Okay.
I thought they were bad seeds, so leftovers, and so I went ahead and bought a bunch from Fedco that I'd never heard of before. So some of these I don't recognize as they start growing out. And then I do wear gloves because I like to save those precious fingers.
Hearing a little bit of hoarseness in the voice. You getting over that cold, Jim?
Yeah, it seems like a lot of people had it.
Oh.
At least I made it to market the other day. And everybody sees how coarse this is and worries about it. But, I mean, they'll grow if you leave them on top of the soil, if you kept them wet.
Leave them on top?
I've done that.
But by mistake?
Yeah, and you'll see they'll grow. Coleman talks about in Europe, where they've got greenhouses with irrigation, they just set them on top. They don't plant them.
Wow. How old are these soil blocks?
Right at 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Tomorrow it'll be 4 weeks.
Okay.
And usually, you know, I could be able to start taking outside leaves on them in a week. So from 5 weeks from seeding, you can start getting a harvest.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Whoa, how about that dram, huh, Jim?
Yeah, it sure kicks butt with this well of mine. Yeah, I mean, it's so nice that you don't have to, you know, go into the bed and you can still go 25 feet.
Whoa.
And it's soft.
So you're watering these freshly planted veggies. When will they need water again?
I guess we're gonna have rain, maybe not for a week if we get rain on Saturday.
Okay.
Otherwise, they'd get it in another 2 days.
How long would you water them for?
As far as
Time-wise? A couple minutes?
well, I mean, each one. I mean, this whole bed, they'd get a pass. So, you know, I'd say they try to water slow, you know, so it puddles.
Okay.
And so they'll get like that. Because this soil does hold moisture pretty well. And the unique thing about what I've been doing with the new Port Richey compost is that it's so woody that there's no splash.
Oh wow.
And so all the people that are complaining about their grit in their spinach and I don't have to deal with that, which is really nice.
You don't have the dirt bouncing back up.
Yeah. I mean, it's so nice to have clean. When I wash the lettuce, there's no dirt. There's just a little greenness from the juice mostly.
You already cut a monster out of there?
Well, see, you don't. This is the sprouting broccoli, the Chinese broccoli.
Oh, the shoots, okay.
So you cut and you get the shoots, but instead of having the little ones like that, these are going to be about that big around.
Wow.
You know, you can just tell by the size of the leaves.
You know the variety?
This one's called Happy Rich.
Happy Rich. Okay.
Yeah, I like it a little better. Suho is pretty though. And then Arcadia, that's Arcadia, and see the size of those leaves?
Oh.
So that's the earliest I've had cauliflower.
Is that not usually until after the new year?
Oh, for me, for sure.
At least, really. Whoa, that's a stud.
And they might double. The size of these leaves, I'd say that could be twice as big by the time I pull it.
Biggest ones you've had yet, huh?
Maybe. I had a 6-pounder one year at Iris's though, way back when.
Wow.
It was like that. Oh yeah. They're going to market tomorrow.
Those are going to the Buyers Club?
Yeah, that's the perfect size. Sweet. That's a Mokum. That's what Coleman grows.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Same variety.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this arugula. Now, you'll get multiple cuts off of that, right?
That is the 4th cut I got off that.
4th cut. Wow.
The far end. I just took that today. Yeah, and I'll probably get this much, and then I'm going to replant this.
In arugula again?
No, it'll be another crop. This is the first time I've really been able to follow, because this carrots will be gone, that'll be gone, the turnips will be gone, so this whole space will be available to me again. So I might cycle some more carrots through there, and maybe some more brassicas, turnips, radishes, who knows.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that short video with Jim. Really just wanted to get you a planting video, show you the soil blocks, show you how Jim puts those in the ground. I think the next video I'm going to come back for is actually going to be the production of the soil blocks. So another short video coming to you at 2020 with Jim. Gotten a couple in here this year before the end of the year, and we will be back soon enough. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Most importantly, pound dirt.